G'day folks, today we're going to be unboxing the new iPad Pro, the one that was announced on October 30th, just showed up today, and we're also going to be unboxing the second generation Apple Pencil. This is the 12.9 inch in space gray with 512 megabytes of storage, so yeah, let's get at it. Now, I'm coming from the 10.5-inch iPad Pro. I do 100% of my video editing on my iPad Pro for my YouTube channel and for my own personal drone and GoPro videos. So I decided to upgrade just for the extra power. And also I decided to go to the 12.9-inch screen this time because they've shrunk the footprint down. It'll be a more manageable size and still have that nice 12.9-inch work area. So let's just get right at it here. Now when you watch unboxing videos, everybody seems to be so into the nice slow pull, and thought I would give it a try. Nothing. I felt nothing. I got absolutely no pleasure from that. So let's just open it up. So we will take the lid off there. And there it is there. And holy wow, just even from pulling it out of the box there, it is really thin. It does feel a lot thinner than the previous generation. So I'm just going to set that aside. We'll take a look in the box here. Of course, we got some literature. Kind of goes over all the new gestures because there's no home button. So if you're not familiar with the gestures, it's all in that information pack. And they're kind of hidden in there, but you also get some Apple stickers. So we have a new charging brick. It is now 18 watt, USB-C, and of course a USB-C cable. So let's peel the sticker off. Can't be having fingerprints already. So yeah, wow, that's a nice big screen. I think that's going to be perfect for the kind of video editing I do. And it is really thin. You wouldn't think 1 millimeter would make that much of a difference, but it is really, really thin. And I do really like the design of it now. Let's go ahead and we'll power it on here. You know, and it's funny because they're talking about this edge-to-edge display. Now, I can't speak for the 11-inch iPad Pro, the new one, but the bezel on the sides of these are actually thicker than the new one. Obviously, the top and bottom are a lot thinner, but yeah, the sides actually have more. The sides are actually thicker, so that's kind of interesting. So I just went ahead and did a quick setup. Saves you sitting through that. So yeah, there it is. It definitely is quite a bit bigger than the 10.5, so it'll take me a few days to kind of get accustomed to that. And yeah, but I think it'll be perfect. So let's just go ahead and we'll set that aside for the time being. And now we'll go ahead and we will open the new Apple Pencil. So this is the second generation Apple Pencil, and it's designed to work with the new iPad Pro, the 2018 one. It's too bad that they didn't make the original Apple Pencil compatible because, you know, they're a lot of money, and I know some people don't want to have to buy a new one if they didn't need to, but I guess it is what it is. Inside here, we just have our information about the Apple Pencil. And one thing I'm noticing here, there's no spare tips. Like the original, when you bought the original Apple Pencil, you got some spare tips with it. Not that you really need them. I've been using it for a year and haven't had to replace it yet. So here it is here. It's definitely quite a bit different. I do like it. Let's just compare it to the old one. You can see it is a little bit shorter. And of course we don't have the removable end, which is really nice because that thing always getting lost and misplaced. You can see there it's recognizing the Apple Pencil, pairing it. So just like that, the Apple Pencil is paired. And you can see there every time we connect it, it just automatically starts charging. That's actually going to be a really nice handy feature because I don't know how many times I go to sit down and edit and my Apple Pencil's dead. So that'll be nice, it'll always be charged. And it feels like it's held on there pretty good. Won't come off that way. I wonder though, just by holding it, you know, that might be a little bit of an issue, but I guess time will tell. So yeah, we'll set that aside. Now, I've already done an unboxing of this. I was patiently waiting for the iPad to come, so I just thought I would do an unboxing of the Smart Folio. So let's put the iPad in there, and we'll see how it fits and how I like it. So it just goes on there like that. So yeah, actually that feels pretty nice. So the magnets do hold this closed. There's a little bit of play when you jostle it around, but not too bad. Actually looks really nice. Now, in my unboxing video that I did of the Smart Folio, there was a lot of complaints about it doesn't give any protection on the sides. And you're right, it doesn't. This is not an OtterBox style case. If you know your iPad is going to be in some rough situations, you definitely want to get something a little bit more durable that's going to give it more protection. A good drop on a hard floor could severely damage it because there's no protection on the sides there, really. Basically, it protects your screen and your back from getting scratched, and that's about it. And of course, I already kind of showed these off in another video. These are the new USB accessories you can order. This is the card reader, USB-C. This is the USB-C to Lightning, and this is a USB-C to the audio jack. This card is super important to me. That's how I transfer all my videos for my drones, GoPros, and different things like that, and very important, so I'm glad that they did come out with one right away. And it'll be kind of interesting to see with USB-C what it will connect to. I'm wondering if we plug a GoPro or the drone directly into the iPad Pro, whether that will recognize it and I can transfer files directly that way as well. Anyways, folks, that's it. This was just an unboxing video. If you are interested in the iPad Pro, the new one that was just released, definitely subscribe to my channel because I will be making some videos coming up. So I'm going to be doing a review after a few days to see what my first initial impressions are and how I'm liking it, how it's been working with my workflow and video editing. I'll also probably do some kind of compatibility video, see how it interacts with different cameras and drones, and importing media and different things like that. Well, folks, hopefully you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.